Hello everyone, myself Prabhati Satish Tirmare from Maharashtra, district Amravati. I am working as a teacher in Matoshri Saraswati Vat Madhyamik Vidyalaya Daba. Presenting my action research. My topic is developing communication skill through classroom activities. Objectives of my action research plans are finding out unwillingness to communicate. My students are very unwilling to speak in English. Generate ideas for communication, that which idea should I use to make them speak in English. Which activities should I conduct to develop my students' communication skill? All these are my objectives of action research. Two type of data collections to collect data. First one is qualitative data and quantitative data. Quantitative data, I realize that my students are willing. They shows the willingness to learn English. They are eager to speak English and they learn to communicate. But most of the students are not aware about what is communication. And all of the students, near about 20 students from my class, they are eager to learn communication skills. So I decided action plan to develop my students' communication skill. I explain my students what is communication, why it is necessary, and what are the steps of communication. So I develop various activities. I show them the best communicators video. I emphasize that listening, body language, words, stress and pronunciation, all these things are very necessary for communication skill. They enact role, recipes, reflections on reading newspaper, reading various articles, advertising, talk shows, and then afterward they decided, I make them to do presentation on whatever they had done. For qualitative data analysis, I use three methods: observation diary, observation by co-teachers, and student performance. By analyzing qualitative data, I come to know that 50% students are fully developed their communication skill, 20% students speaking English but need improvement in communication, 10 students 10% students need more efforts for speaking as well as communication. 20% students are willingly participated in this action research, in these activities, but due to pandemic situation, they haven't attended classes fully. Once again, I like to tell that I correct their pronunciation, trace on words, proper pronunciation. I also emphasize that they must keep knowledge about the topic, keep observations, observe their record their speeches, and after evaluating this action research, I find out that students are very happy. They are eagerly participated in activities. Evaluation of my action is learners got new ways of learning, get habitual of working in collaboration, they are thinking critically, they become confident. This is very helpful in their academic activities and syllabus. They know the specific way of engagement, they create their own writing work, speeches, interviews, recipes, writing dramas and writing dialogues, and they present it. I would like to reflect on my work. I get a systematic and specific approach to solve problem. Conducting action research is very helpful in my teaching career. This research make to think over the issues in my teaching career. Now as a teacher, I feel confident and motivated.